Do you know what this is? Pam. No, not your Aunt Pam. No, not your cousin Pam. This is something that you can put on your skillet or something when you're cooking, and I use it all the time. Today we're going to look at what can make something not have friction. All right, so let's get started. It is the lesson for Wednesday, the 15th of April. It'd probably be helpful if that was something you could actually see. And there we go. All right, so watching today's video lesson and then continuing with our sled lab. Oh, before you do this, yesterday at the end of the video, I forgot to show you this slide, okay? So yesterday, Tuesday, you filled this in right here. I forgot to move on to the next slide, and this next slide is optional, but I would love to see the photos of the ramp and the sled that you are doing for this investigation, okay? So I would love for you to attach the photos here. I'd love to see how creative you guys are. And if you even want to attach a video of you doing it, you could attach the video as well. So some different ways to do that: insert and then image. And if you took photos with your tablet, or if you took it with your tablet and you're doing this assignment with your tablet, you can just get them from your photo box. But you can upload them from your computer. If you take a picture of them with your phone and send them to yourself and do them on your desktop, you can upload the pictures from there. If you have them in your Google Drive or your photos, you can do it there. In order to insert a video, that would work the same way. If you want to do a video of yourself doing it, you just do video right there, and you can search your Google Drive for that video. You can search, there's the videos, there we go. All right, you can search your Google Drive for the video. You can even search, if you put it on YouTube, you can do that as well. And you can even upload the video from your actual computer. So do that please for me. I forgot to mention that yesterday. Oh, it is optional, but I still would love to see it. All right, so today's lesson. Today you're gonna add some sort of material to the bottom of your sled to see if you can make it go faster down the ramp. You can use tape or glue to attach your chosen material. Think about what material would have the least amount of friction or the least amount of resistance, okay? The smoother the material, that will make your sled go faster. The rougher the material, that will make your sled go more slowly. Place your sled at the top of the ramp, let it go, and test to see how long it takes to get to the bottom and see if it was faster or slower than yesterday, and then record the findings on the next table. All right, so I've got a couple of things over here that I kind of wanted to play around with. So one of them I thought about doing first was I do have some foil, okay, and I've got some plastic. This is some saran wrap right here. I'd gotten a sock. That's just one of my husband's socks. It's clean, I promise. Some other plastic. I got some of this. This is like, I have this fake plant, and this is kind of like the stuffing in the bottom of the fake plant. So these are some different things I thought I would just play around with. Feel free to try different things and figure out if you can see which one goes faster. I even thought about spraying the Pam on the bottom to see which one makes it go faster. So you go around your house, you find some household items that you could put onto the bottom of your sled, test it a few times, and put your sled at the top. Now remember, your sled needs to look like it did yesterday. So I don't want to use a different pillow than the one that I used yesterday. I want to use the same one. I don't want to put it on the pillow yesterday and then put it up higher or put it lower today, because that's going to change and skew your results. You always want to have the same constants, okay? So the pillow is constant, the sled is constant, the ramp is constant. What's going to change, or what's going to be your independent variable, ooh, that's a big word. Ooh, that's a good one. I love that. That's some science stuff right there. What's going to be your independent variable is what you change to try to make it go faster or slower every day. So make sure those constants stay the same. All right, so figure out what it is that you can do to make it go the fastest. Try out a few different things and see what you can do to make it go the fastest. And then you're going to do what you did yesterday, and you're going to just put it at the top, let it go to the bottom, record it in seconds. Since it's so few seconds, I would record it in seconds and like nanoseconds. So like 4.3 seconds or 2.5 seconds or something like that. So, and that's it. I think I'm going to try the foil, and then I might try the Pam and try those two and see which one works best. All right, so that is that. I don't know if you can see me or not, but